How to program Aroon Up and Down indicator for MQL4 for beginners. First off, guys, what you need to do is open up your terminal, and once you go there, click on this little button here, okay? Once you do that, the meta editor will come up. Hit New, go to Expert Advisor, hit Next, type in your name of the file that you want to create, hit Next all the way through till it pops up with this window here. What we want to do is skip all this stuff down and head to the on tick, okay? Now, when it comes to program the Aroon Up and Down, let me give you guys an example of how it looks, because this indicator combined with others can do very, very interesting things. Let's check it out. So we have the Aroon Up and Down up here. Attach it to the screen real quick. Oh, actually, I'm sorry. I'm on the wrong chart. Let's go to pound yen real quick. And we'll be using pound yen on the 1 hour as an example, okay? We're going to change it up a little bit here, and we're going to go to the hour, just like I said before, add this to the chart, and we're going to use an easy period of 14 for this example, and we're going to zoom in. So typically, guys, when it comes to the Aroon Up and Down, when the blue is above the red, it indicates a buy signal. When the sell is above the red, above the blue, it indicates a sell signal. Now, when you use this indicator alone, it gets you in and out in some choppy markets. But if you change the period and combine it with like a volume indicator or momentum indicator, it can do pretty good and getting you into a possible trade or keeping you out of bad trades. Now let's get back to the code. The first thing is, guys, we're going to add a double. Now, a double basically is going to indicate a non-whole number. Okay, so we're dealing with pound yen has a bunch of digits at the end. We're going to need a double. We're going to call it AUD up, Aroon Up and Down up. We're going to go use an iCustom. If you don't know how to use iCustom, double click it, hit F1. And this is how you use custom indicators that are not pre-built inside MetaTrader or MetaQuotes. We're going to use null for all currency pairs, 0 for all default time frame, the name of the indicator. Now you want to make sure that it's exactly the same so it can work. And if it's spaces, make sure it's spaces, make sure it's the exact same name. We're going to use a period of 14. We're going to use the indicator, or basically the setting of 0. So it's going to give us our up or blue. And we're going to use the shift of 0, means current candle, okay? Do the exact same thing, but under _1 and change this to 1. And this is going to be 1 candle back. Our next thing will be the Aroon Up and Down, the exact same thing, but this setting is going to be 1, and this will be 1 right here. So that'll be for the red, okay? Now we're going to use buy scenario, and I do this in almost all my programs. There's a bool statement to see if these two are true, and if they're true, then we will indicate our trade. Now, let's get to that part right there. We have our orders total equals 0, so make sure we don't have more than one order, and buy order, and if this is buy scenario equals true, then we'll engage our trade right here. Now, let's break down this simple thing. If you want more details, just double click it, press F1, or go to your MetaQuote reference. And from here, you can get to how to program the order send function, okay? Now we'll do null, all currency pairs. OP buy means instant execution buy. Here's the other ones, OP buy, sell, buy limit, sell limit. And you can go through 0 through 5. So you don't have to put the thing in there, the words. You can put the number instead. The next thing is our lot size is 0.01. We're going to run off the ask. Our slippage is going to be 10. We're going to do an ask minus 500, minus basically for pound yen, we're going to be minus 0.5000. Ask is going to be plus 150 pips. And this is going to be null. This right here, null is for the comment. And this is going to be our magic number. I can program the magic number if you like. If you want me to add more details to these videos, let me know. I'm making this beginner friendly because it's a new indicator on the channel. And if you want me to add more detail, let me know. I can add more. We're going to hit compile. And remember, guys, it has no errors. If you want this code, it will be within the video and not on my website. Let's go back to here and go to our Aroon Up and Down. We're going to run it on pound yen, and then we're going to hit start. But before you guys do that, make sure it's pound yen, and it's going to be every tick. Okay, here's our dates. And now we're going to hit start. We're going to hit pause before it starts because we're going to change the color scheme before it engages, okay? So we're going to hit properties. We're going to scroll down. We're going to go to candlesticks. All right. Now we're going to zoom out a little bit. Get rid of the grid maybe. Add Control Y to it. You can see the days. Okay, now let's play it. So you see if we attach the Aroon Up and Down to the chart, we will be engaging these trades. See like this right here? How we had that buy. We got a buy right here. Now you got to combine this with other indicators to get a more solid indication. But other than that, it can catch trends pretty good. I think it's a little bit better than like a moving average if you combine it with the right indicators. But this is a very basic indicator that can get you into the right trend and possibly keep you out of trends. Now remember, guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or comments, put them down below, and I'll get to them as fast as I can. And also, if you want a recommendation, put that below. I can get to that too. Because there's a bunch of indicators I can make simple videos for. If you want more complex videos, just let me know. But other than that, guys, I'll see you guys on the next recording or next video. See ya. Peace.